Hello everyone. I'm happy to say hello and welcome back in YouTube channel Database World tochno-tuk. In today's video we will explain why it's necessarily and good to know Python. Python in demand and that it's with a reason. First of all, Python is really easy to be aware. Python is semantic language and for example as English language that we could structure this sentence to explain different stuff and to follow the logic and to write so many sentences that make this article to learn a lot and so on and so on. It's the same with Python. If you structure your code really well, you could read it like English language. It's really easy to be read it and write it. But the key part here is to know how to write it in a good way, in a readable way. In otherwise, you will be in big trouble. And this knowledge will be not so nice. For this reason, we will start with the basic steps, with the first steps. And after that, we will go on the next level, on the middle level, on the advanced level. We will represent really nice stuff and so on. But let's first start with the beginning. In this playlist, you will find out a bunch of videos that will explain you what are the basic stuff, basic things in Python. The second really important thing which make Python so in demand is that there are a lot of open source libraries that you could use for a lot of stuff, for everything. We could say directly everything. We could do with Python code and Python libraries, just everything. The backend side, front end side, great visualization, machine learning models, ingesting the data, cleaning the data, processing the data, especially when we spoke about the data. Really good science, really good analysis. And for this reason, a lot of titles from the business side. I say business side because not only engineers and developers, engineers, database guys could use Python. A lot of analysts, doesn't matter that they are business analysts or finance analysts, they use Python too. And they will, if they not do it that, for sure they will do in short term. I'm on this mind. I just thinking that this will be the next step for almost all analysts in the world. But let's see. You could put your opinion about that, like a comment to that video. It will be interesting for me. What do you think? But from my perspective, that is the future. For example, in some of the projects that I already worked, I saw how we could create end-to-end data platforms. It's not necessarily to use cloud solutions for your business. You could create your own data platform with the backend, with the front end, which means with the whole logic that it's necessarily need to work our program, to progress our reports, to progress our data, with the front end part, in which part you could visualize for really nice way your data, and for the prediction part, for machine learning, for the AI that will create our predictions. It's really nice to know it and could be used from developers, from data scientists, from machine learning specialists, data engineers, just developers, Python developers, DevOps guys start to use it a lot, and QA guys too, would say. In the whole titles that you could see in one IT company, in one programming company, the whole people there could use directly just Python and them libraries. I hope you enjoy on that video, and we will be happy to see the first basic steps in the next videos. If you like that, just press on the command button, on the subscribe button, and keep learning. See you in the next video.